Hi, my name is Seti and welcome back to another video with Apps, Events and Acer. In this video, we're going to look at how you can copy a document and how you can make sure that all your comments are copied alongside with it. So let's dive into it. Now the first thing you'll have to do is open up a Google document. Now I've already got my Google document ready to go, and as you can see there's a number of comments down the side. Now at Apps Events, we always stress how great Google is at collaboration and working together on various documents. Now, often when we copy a document, these comments get lost, and that's where all that collaboration gets lost. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that when we do copy this document over, we retain all the comments. Now, there's two ways you can do this. We're going to go into File, then we select Make a Copy. Now this is where you make a copy of your document, and as you will note down the bottom, you can tick a little box that's going to enable the copying of all the comments and suggestions. However, many of us are very familiar with a little URL trick that's going to force users to copy their own document. Now we use this a lot at presentations because we don't always want people to go into an original document and then have to manually make a copy. So what we do is we add a little ending to our URL. We get rid of the edit and then we replace it with copy. Now doing this allows us to force users to make their own copies, but the comments and suggestions go lost. And that's where we can tweak this URL a little bit further. Now, to do that, let's start off by checking our sharing settings. So let's dive into our sharing settings for this document, and we'll make sure that everyone with the link can comment. Now, once you've changed those sharing settings, it's just a matter of getting your URL. So let's go ahead and copy this URL and let's pop it into our URL box. Now, hold on a minute, don't press enter, don't go to that URL yet, because it is not finished yet. We have to replace the edit and everything else, and we need to replace it with a different text. Now the first thing we're going to do is exactly the same as forcing a copy. We're going to make sure that the edit has been replaced with copy. Now we're going to add a question mark, and then we're going to say copy comments equals true. Now once you've done that, you've got your full URL that you can now share with other people. You can put this into your favorite URL shortener, and you can share it with attendees to presentations, parents, students, or anyone else. This will allow you to copy the document, and it will still have all the comments and suggestions in that document. What might we use this for? Well, we can use it for a step-by-step walkthrough of what we want people to do in the document. We can use it to share some extra resources, maybe some links, and maybe even give a little bit of extra guidance as to how to use a certain document. Now, I hope you found this helpful. This was another tips and tricks with Apps, Events and Acer, and don't forget to come back next month where we are going to give even more tips and tricks for you using G Suite on your favorite Acer devices. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video, dive into that comment section below and ask us all your questions you might have. In addition to that, you might have a very specific question about G Suite, a Google app, or maybe even an Acer device. Well, pop it in the comment section below and we will do our very best to answer that for you. I thank you for watching, and I hope you will be back next month.